guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So this vlog is going to be a mix of I think 4-5 days. So I just started very randomly, so there's no introduction. So this is me just letting you know what this vlog is going to be. It's just very random casual days in my life. So there's working day, there's a Saturday in between, there's a day where I'm decorating the Christmas tree and all of that. So I just started the vlog randomly, so I don't remember when I started it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. It's around 20 minutes long, just a sneak peek into my life, what I do with my friends, where I go, where I chill, and a little glimpse of my work day. So hope you guys like the video. I just put my phone cam here and then my products here. So this is life, guys. When I do have a tripod, but I'm not sure how to fix it or where my phone holder or whatever that is. Always messy, but I kind of managed to do it. Now it's time to clear the mess. But love the sky, like love looking at the sky, the sea and everything. Okay, time to get back to work. Okay, so I quickly have to also head out at 4 again. So I'm just thinking if I have to remove my makeup and do it again. Not makeup. So I'm thinking if I have to just remove the kajal and everything and do it again. But so lazy, so I think I'll just go off like that, change my clothes and leave. I'm just lazing around. I had my lunch and also had some yummy ice creams which was sent by Kelvin Scale. Thank you so much for that. It was too good, loved it. It's around 4:20. நாங்கள் ஒரு 3 வாரமாக கிறிஸ்மஸ் ட்ரீ வாங்கணும் அப்படின்னு தேடிட்டுருக்கோம். 3 வாரமாக தேடிட்டுருக்கோம். எங்கே போனாலுமே இட்ஸ் எதர் சூப்பர் எக்ஸ்பென்சிவ். இட்ஸ் அரவுண்ட் 15,000 ஆர் பிடிச்ச மாதிரி கிடைக்கவே மாட்டுது. ஸோ இட்ஸ் சூப்பர் லைக் skeptical where to get it, what height ellame. Now I'm very particular. I want like a very nice tree which looks gorgeous. I want to decorate it well, and I'm also planning to host a Christmas party for families, so let's see how that goes. Not very sure. And you know enna inga there's not a huge space here to place a Christmas tree, so தெரியல எப்படி பண்ண போகிறேன்னு. பட் லெட்ஸ் சி. ஐம் வெரி பர்டிகுலர். கண்டிப்பாக இந்த இயர் ட்ரீ வச்சே ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு ஐம் லைக் இன்னைக்கு ட்ரீ இல்லாமல் நான் வீட்டுக்கு வர மாட்டேன். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் சி இஃப் வி கெட் அ கிறிஸ்மஸ் ட்ரீ. I'll take you guys along. Guys, this is what I'm obsessed with right now. Saturday, Sunday, my only plan is to watch Cook with Koma. Okay, so we're heading out to get the Christmas tree. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. And if you want the outfit details, then I'm going to link my Instagram post. You can go there and look at all the details. Bye.
యూటర్న్ తీసేట పక్క పెట్టేసా బస్ స్టాండ్.
Okay, so we're just reaching the Evergreen store. Apparently the store has good Christmas trees for 5,000, 8,000. Let's see. I mean, I'm okay to invest, but I want a good looking nice bushy tree and nice decor. So let's see. U-turn tibutnava.
Planning to like
Stop here? Okay, let's quickly go and come. See you guys. Okay, so as expected, we still didn't get the tree. I don't know, here it was too expensive. So the last week we saw the trees were around 10,000, 12,000. Here it was 15, 16,000. So we're like, you know what, we'll just go back to the other place that we went last week and we'll get it there. So last week நாங்கள் 2 கடையில் பார்த்தோம். ஒன்று எவர்கிரீன் and ஒன்று வந்து மம்மி டாடி. So we're going back to mummy daddy because அங்கே பார்த்த tree was so gorgeous. It was 10,000. I think Apart from that, we'll have to buy decor and stuff. So let's see. I mean, this is our first time setting up a proper tree, so we ourselves don't know like what to do. So, Chow, what do you think? Will we get a tree? Huh?
Yes.
Because today I'm not gonna come home without a tree, okay?
I know that.
Yeah. So let's get a tree and go home. Yes, got the tree. Okay, tree done. Now off to buy some groceries. So now we're going to Mamagoto in Nungambakam for dinner. They've invited us to try the new menu, so we're excited to go there. I've always loved Mamagoto. Okay, street lepo vlog panalo. So awkward, but I'm trying to create content for you guys. I hope you like it. Them to give a separate sanitizer for every table. For people like Chow who don't own a sanitizer. Yeah. So it's just 7:30 and I'm really hungry. I think it's just the flavors of the Asian cooking that is making me hungry. Okay, so we just got our chili chicken. It looks too good. Let's try. It's actually a little tangy. So it's basically tender coconut water with orange, fresh orange. It's too good. It's my favorite here in Mamamoto. So, and Chow's having some blueberry cooler. Dinner done. Time to go back home. Chow, did you enjoy dinner?
Yes.
So full actually. I can't believe that we have to get back to work tomorrow. I think most of my vlogs end with this. Hey guys, good morning. Today is a Thursday and I'm heading to the Melange exhibition at Hyatt. This is my first time to the exhibition, but I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I'm super excited to go. Also, Chow is coming along with me because, of course, I need someone to help me create content. He's literally staring at me. But yeah, I'll take you guys through. I'll show you a little bit of the pop-up and yeah, that will be it. So let's see how today goes. Quick OT details. I'm wearing this jacket from August the Label brand, which is an Instagram store, and a spaghetti and also denims from Aeropostale, which I wear like always. And this choker, I'm not sure from which brand this is one of those again jewelry brands online. I think someone sent it to me like 3-4 years back. I still have it and I still use it. I love this one. even. I think ஒரு 11 o'clock கிளம்ப வேண்டியதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸ்லைட்டாக லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ டைம் என்ன சாவ்?
It's 12. Fancy number.
1 hour late, but that's what happens
It's
when.
because of Cha.
No, I didn't say it's because of you. I never said it's because of you.
I'm telling
Anyway.
you, I had a call, so.
Okay. Yeah, so இப்போதான் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். We're going to Hyatt. It's literally 10 minutes from my place. So அங்கே போயிட்டு I'll take you guys through the exhibition, show you a bit about all the brands that are participating. அதுக்கப்புறம் வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டு as usual சாப்பிட்டுட்டு work. So yeah, I'll take you guys through everything. So I was not able to vlog everything because it was pretty crowded, but yeah, I hope it's okay. Like I said, it was pretty crowded and there was so much going on inside, so I was not able to vlog and show you guys. I feel bad, but I'll make it up for you guys. I'll probably take you through something else that is exciting and interesting. Probably decorating the Christmas tree. No. He's least interested to decorate my Christmas tree, but we have to do it at some point, right? So probably we'll be doing it today or tomorrow. And yeah, also like you guys know, we already got the tree, but we haven't gotten much of decoration because the tree itself had a lot of decor pieces in it. So that's the beauty of the tree. You don't have to buy decoration separately. But yeah, let's see how that goes. It's 1 o'clock. My lunch time is actually 12, but இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. 1 is like super late for me for lunch. Let's see வீட்ல if there's something for lunch, or I think you're gonna get from Andhra Mess, right? Chava's gonna get something from Andhra Mess because I don't think they've cooked at home today. So yeah, let's see. Just reaching home. So it's almost 4:30. I'm making myself some coffee. For me, I have timings, guys. Like, I have timings. I have to have lunch by 12, coffee by 4, dinner by 7 something. So it has to happen. So yeah, having some coffee and I'll catch you guys. You guys tell me. So I also, like me, do you also have timings like 4 mani ana tea venu, 6 mani ana snacks venu, something like that. I actually like to take these upstairs and enjoy. But before that, hey everyone, it's Friday and we're finally setting up our Christmas tree. It's been 5 days since we got it, but unfortunately we never had the time, so we're just gonna set it up now. Why are you sitting? It's time to, yeah, so I don't know how to set this up, so will you help me? Yeah?
Sure.
Come!
Okay.
So I've had a Christmas tree earlier when I was a kid, but nothing like this that was very kutti, like 2 feet. But this is 6 feet. This is pretty big. I don't even know if we'll be able to, spare any space here for this, but let's see. We're just gonna put this right and we'll see if we can keep it inside or outside. Okay, so finally the tree is done. It looks gorgeous. Okay, I have to be very honest. Thanks to Chow, I hardly did anything. Thank you, Chow. Thank you. Okay. Anyway, let me show you the details.
इधर कौन बोलेगा?
It actually fits perfect in that place. So I'm super happy.
Whoa.
Okay, so we're off to one of our friends' Christmas party. So I'm wearing this dress that I got. I think I got it stitched like 7 years back. I'm not very sure, probably 5 years. And I'm happy it still fits me. Chow is acting like, can you please stop the vlog? We need to rush. Okay. But look at the tree, guys. Okay, guys, I just received this envelope and I'm like, who's sending all these days? And it's from one of my best friends, and guess what she sent? I mean, such a cutie. She sent Christmas greetings. Guys, I don't even know who still sends these greetings, but I love them. Like, I will treasure this forever. Oh, like, she's actually written wonderful things. Thank you so much, Anu. Momo has some magic. Let's see. What? Candle. What's the best host in the I would say do not eat it. Okay, it's 2:45 and we're right outside Bessie, so let's see if they leave us to the beach. Hello everyone, good evening. Today is okay, so yesterday was the Christmas party, so today is a Saturday, and we came home early in the morning at 5 and we slept after that, and yeah, it was pretty much a very lazy Saturday. Usually my Saturdays are not like this. Starts with my Kathak class, and then this cooking nice food, and then heading over for work. I mean, then and after lunch I usually go for a shoot or any event or whatever is happening on that day. But yeah, like I said, today was pretty much a lazy day. It's already 5 o'clock and we just came out. We're just heading to shop because we don't know what else to do. I'll try to take you guys through the shopping. And okay, so change of plans. Oh, first we're going to go to our doormat, and then actually anga on the 6 o'clock appointment, so it's just 5:30. Another quick Gangotri poitu, we got something to eat. Chow is having, what is that?
Kachori channa.
I badly wanted masala paneer wrap, and unfortunately adi nikilla, so romba disappointed, but it's okay. I got paneer grill sandwich, basically anything with paneer. I love pani puri there, but I wasn't very comfortable to, stand there, remove mask and eat. And we also got, where's that? Badam milk. So love Gangotri's badam milk. Even Kakda Ramprasad, I love it. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy evening snacks, and I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so கொஞ்ச நேரம் முன்னாடி தான் வீட்டுக்கு வந்து we had dinner and it's already 10. So basically நான் வந்து லைட்டாக மறந்துட்டேன் vlog பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு. So we had to go to the dorm. Okay, my biggest struggle, you know what, is holding the phone because கையெல்லாம் வலிக்குது பிடிச்சி. I don't have a tripod, so that's another struggle. but yeah தெரியல actually I'm very like confused எவ்வளோ நாள் இந்த vlog continue பண்ணணும் already it's a mix of 5 different days, so I think I'm just gonna end it here because already or 4-5 days actually. So if you guys have any suggestions on what kind of videos you want to watch, see vlogs anyway will happen, but apart from that in the cooking, if you want to see you know a work day in my life or anything of that sort, you just let me know. Hair care is coming guys. Hair care ko enakku raasi illa nanikira rendu vaati shoot panni delete பண்ணிட்டேன். So மூணாவது வாட்டி நான் நாளைக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கேன். Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Bye.